Good morning folks and welcome back. We're out this weekend on a 2-night wild camping trip for Ian's birthday. We got here last night, so I didn't really do any videoing last night because it was pitch black when we got here. By the time we arrived and got set up it was about 10 o'clock, so we just got fire going, got some food on, a couple of beers, chilled out and turned in for the night. As I say, we're on a 2-night wild camping trip in a beautiful woodland. I'll take you over to camp now and see the lads. Right, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Right folks, that's camp. That's the perimeter. On this occasion we're just using budget tarps. I think we all paid in the region of £8 and something pence for 3.5 by 2 point something. And the reason we're using these is the fire's within close proximity of where we're strung up, so we don't want to burn our DD tarps, so we're just using these for this on this occasion. We've put debris round, as you can see. We've put all that round just to enclose it a little bit, make it nice and cosy. Right, we'll take these in. Got the boys, we've got Ben chilling, got Ian over there. We've got Peter, camp cook, cooking breakfast. We've got some sausages on the go. What else have we got going for breakfast, Pete?
We've got some plum tomatoes and we've also got some nice potatoes as well.
Nice. Nice. That should see us through the day.
Should be lovely.
Nice. Right folks, I'll bring you back in a little while. Hey? Instant coffee.
Creamy caramel, Irish cream, chocolate orange coffee, gingerbread, double chocolate, another gingerbread, amaretto almond.
Sounds nice then. I might sample the gingerbread. Thank you. Thank you. I'll put that in there for Ron. Need a Ron.
We've got a bit of water there, like we're put that after we boil food.
Oh, we might as well. They're a brew one. Nice kettle.
It is. Nice, nice.
Don't know that'll hold up like.
Should be alright.
Tom-toms.
Right, I'll get some more firewood.
Cammy done something.
Nice, nice.
There's my plate there. There's my plate there. Shift them over a little bit.
Right then, folks, we've just had some breakfast cooked by Peter.
Very much.
Thank you, Peter.
You're welcome.
Absolutely disgusting.
Sharp edges.
Yeah, we had nice breakfast. Now we're fire's going again. We're just having some coffee, and then we're going to process some more firewood, and maybe just do a few little projects. I'm going to make a chair. So we'll bring you back in a little while. Now pick up the debris off the floor. This.
That's strange.
Yeah.
That's why you can't beat a bit of paracord, isn't it?
Yeah, I think you're right.
It seems to slap.
There we go. There's my chair. I've just lashed all that timber together using a bit of cordage. Attach the material with some webbing at the top and just a bit of cordage there at the bottom. Ran that branch through it. So that'll be me chilling out in there in front of the fire later. We're going to go and process some firewood now and get that done for plenty for tonight. Wow, the smoke's catching us a bit there. Fire's going. Just steady away. Can't beat autumn time in the woodland. Absolutely magnificent. Now we've been processing firewood. Got a load there. Ian's busy stacking it. Ben's there sorting out. Peter's there getting twigs.
We want some more
Twigs.
for the fire from the outside.
Yeah. Yes, like I say, we're processing firewood. Just enjoying the day. Beautiful day. Temperature's dropped a little bit, but once we're around that fire, we spot on. We're going to get some lunch on just now. And just see what the day brings. But yeah, we're having a great time. Absolutely loving it. We're enjoying it, aren't we, lads?
Yeah.
Right, I'll bring you back in a little while. We've got Ian cooking us some lunch. Got some nice, is that barbecue chicken, Ian? Texan barbecue chicken. Got some peppers and onions and mushrooms and what have you in there. Got some salad, some wraps, some garlic mayo. Oh, living like kings. Enjoy that. We're just all chilling for a little bit. Wow, blinding the smoke fire. Catches you at times, doesn't it? So we're looking forward for lunch. We're all getting hungry now. Very nice coffee.
Is the nice?
Cooling down like, isn't it? You just planned yourself. What have you done?
Close by myself right on video, haven't
Get in. You're definitely going on YouTube. Good old Ben.
I'm glad I'm only 5'2". No, I'm 5'3". Maybe feet so.
The bias camp, I'm not happy with it.
To buy camp.
Bias.
Oh, good save.
Bias towards shop people.
We call it shop.
All of you.
We'll smash your fucking kneecaps at me, we'll snatch your fucking I'm gonna put my wine by the fire.
Alright.
I don't even want it to be too cold.
Nice rain. Tropical man.
Or is it for that? It's yeah, it's dry.
Woodland.
Yeah. It's just not Aldi. It's only about £5 a bottle. I just shy you £5.
Did you guys have it Woodland?
No. I got it because it's absolutely delicious.
I thought it was alright.
I like it.
You get some lovely wine out.
spark on my chair. It's got a few on it anyway.
That was a big one to go on do there, Ben. That was a big one to go on do there, Ben.
What you making, mate?
It missed you. Just
Some carve away.
I'm looking forward to me tea.
Back again. We're all just chilling by the fire, having a few beers and a bit of a natter. We've got Ben chilling over there.
Hi guys.
We've got Ian over there having something to eat. We've got Peter here enjoying a beer.
Cheers.
You can't see you, Peter.
Oh.
No, dear. No, I'm just here. I've got a beer there. Some wine for later. We're going to cook a chilli and rice on the fire later. Enjoy that, because it's getting a bit cold now. And I'll probably end the recording for tonight here and start again in the morning. We'll see you then, folks. Morning, folks. Just laid chilling in my hammock. Just look at that view. Absolutely amazing. We had an absolute fantastic night last night. Good laugh, good banter. It was really good. Like I say, I'm just chilling for now. I want to get up, get a brew on, just enjoy the day before we pack up and go home. Right, I'll get sorted out and get myself up. I'll see you in a little while. Right then, folks, we're just packing away, getting ready to go. We've had an absolutely amazing time, a right laugh, some good banter, some amazing food, a few drinks. The reason we were out for the 2 nights was Ian's birthday, so we were celebrating that. Yeah, we've had a great time. Now we're just making plans for our next adventure in December. Yeah, so that's something to look forward to and get planning. We're going to be looking forward for that. Right, what we're going to do now is finish packing away, clean the fire away, make sure it's all nice and tidy, double check that we've left no litter or anything. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, please share, and by all means please subscribe. I'm looking forward to the next one. I'll bring you back when we're all finished and show you how we're leaving it. See you in a little while. Well, folks, unfortunately for us on this trip, that's it. We're about ready for going home. That there is where we had the fire. That tree there to that tree there is where Ian was strung. That was Ben. That was myself from this tree to that tree there. That's my kit ready to go. And Peter was here with his kit there to this tree. As always, leave no trace. For our last 10 minutes before we go, we're just going to make sure that we've left no bits of litter, sweet wrappers or anything. So I'd just like to end this by saying thanks for watching and take care. Bye for now.